Hello. Take some cooked bacon and dice it into small pieces. The bacon can be fried, baked, or even microwaved, if you so prefer. However you cook it, make sure you save the grease that it creates. Next, dice a few green onions. Set these ingredients aside for now. Beat 2 to 4 eggs. How many eggs you need depends on how much rice you intend to use for this recipe. On medium-low heat, add a few tablespoons of bacon grease into a frying pan or wok, and gently cook the eggs until they've just solidified. Don't worry if the eggs seem a little raw at this point, they'll continue cooking near the end of the frying stage. Remove the eggs and add in your leftover cooked rice. For this example, we'll be using around 2 cups worth. The staler the rice, the better. While any rice can be used here, I would recommend long grain over short glutinous variants. Break up the rice if it has clumped up, and then add in soy sauce, any peppers of your choosing, garlic powder, onion powder, and a generous amount of oyster sauce. Stir. Fresh garlic also works well in this recipe. If you intend to use some, omit the garlic powder and toast a few finely chopped cloves before adding in the rice. After a few minutes of frying, add in the bacon, stir, and then add the green onions. The green onions will shrink as they cook, so don't be alarmed if it appears that you initially added in too much. Finally, add back in the scrambled eggs and chop them up with your spatula as you see fit. Once everything is incorporated, remove the pan from heat and serve. Enjoy.